Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing very well. So guys, today in this video I will tell you, earlier I was afraid to speak in English in front of people, but now I can able to speak. Yes. So if you really want to see, if you really want to know, so follow these steps. Okay, so don't further delay, let's get started. Step number 1, what I did, I started talking to myself in front of the mirror. In front of the mirror. Yes guys, a year before I was not able to speak, and I'm always afraid to talk to someone. That time it seems like that in future I will able to speak or not, but now I can able to speak in front of mirror anything, and you can say like with people I can able to. So I'm telling you what I did. So first step, stand up from front of the mirror and start talking. Okay, like example I'm telling you, like this is mirror and me. Okay, I'm going to talk with mirror. You can see this. Hi, yeah, I'm fine. Actually, today I woke up morning. I was so tired, so I'm not good feeling well. So I'm sorry for I will not go to tomorrow and tomorrow anywhere. So I'm sorry for that. So guys, you have to do this because already I have done from my side. That's why I'm speaking. I'm able to speak, and I'm speaking the front of camera and the mirror. That is main reason. But yeah, though I'm not fluent in English, but still I'm keep learning. Day by day my English is improving. So that's why I want to tell you, go and talk with mirror. It's very important. Something like that you have to talk 10 to 20 minutes. Yes, 10 to 20 minutes, and it's main important. Go and on your mobile camera and talk. Whatever you want to discuss, you can easily discuss with your mobile camera. Okay, open your camera and start talking. Hello everybody, yes, I'm walking at the terrace, at the roof, and how you are looking, I'm looking out good or not, like this. You have to talk with your mobile. Okay, and after recording you have to listen. You have to listen. Definitely your English will be improved, but you have to talk 10 to 20 minutes, and after recording and then go and check where you are mistaking. Okay, and next time when you will shoot, try to remember where did you mistake. Got it? So you have to talk with mirror and mobile camera, because already I done from my side. That's why I'm telling you and I'm sharing you my experience to you. That is main reason. Okay, so point number 1, you have to follow and you have to talk with mirror and mobile camera as well. Got it? Step number 2, I started talking English app. I started talking English app. Yes guys, that time I was practicing English app. Like you can practice on Hi Local app, and you can practice Talk New app. You can practice English Guru app. You have to lots of app you will get on the Play Store, and go download and practice. Start from today. Okay, because that time what I did, in my whole day I was practicing English app. Like I used to play English quiz, and also talking with another people like Hi Local. If you download Hi Local app and go and attend the session, and you have to a lot of people will be there, will be available there, and you can talk easily any topic. So go and download Hi Local and Talk New as well, because I'm using right now as well. That's why I'm telling you. Okay, so go and download and practicing. Keep on. Definitely your English will be improved soon. and you will able to speak soon. Because I know currently I'm not able to speak fluency, but I'm able to speak. That's why I'm keep practicing, and I'm sharing my experience to you. Because if you see my video, suppose if you watch my video, definitely you will get motivate, definitely you will motivate. Because my English still is not good, but when you see my video, definitely you will think, yeah, that person will speak in English and making video and uploading here and there, so why I'm going to behind, right? So I had to start, and I should start. So definitely you will get motivate when you watch my video. Because already you know that I'm not able to speak fluency, but my English is okay, yeah, okay. But in future definitely I will able to speak fluency, and I will teach all. Because I am practicing nowadays, and next month I'm going to take class, English class. Means in Delhi, yeah. So that's why within 1 year, maybe I will able to speak fluency. Definitely, I will upload my videos that time. Okay. So step number 2, you have to talk English app. Got it? So guys, step number 3, it's very important steps. Yeah, I started talking to my friends who speak English. Yeah, that time I don't have any friend, but I only 1-2 friends that time I had. But that time I used to talk with my friend. So I really recommend to you, if you really want to speak, if you really want to talk to your friend, anybody, so you have to talk with your friend who speak English. Okay, who speak English is very important. Suppose definitely if you are keep learning nowadays, so you will have to 1-2 people, definitely, yeah. You should have, brother. Because guys, that time, I don't had any friend, but I never give up. I'm searching on Instagram and YouTube people who speak English. So I think I had 2 people meet on Instagram, and I started talking in English with 2 friends. So I would like to tell you, if you have a friend, so go and talk daily 5 to 15 minutes. You have to talk daily 5 to 15 minutes. Definitely, I'm sure about you will able to speak. You will able to speak. If you really if you really want to be serious in future, you want to be whatever you want to be, speak English speaker, communicator, anything. So talk is most important. Talk too much. Talk too much. It's very important. That's why I started talking to my friends who speak English. That's why I am able to speak. I'm talking with my camera, and I'm talking with my friends nowadays. That is main reason. So you have to talk with your friends, and you can talk as well tutors, like you can go download Helocal app, and also Clappingo is very good platform. If you really want to improve communication, and if you want to remove your fear, whatever, so go and download Clappingo app and talk to daily on that app. So definitely you will within 5 to 6 months you can change a lot. Yes. So your last third point, you have to follow talking with your friend. Got it? And step number 4, then I started talking to the tutors, English tutors. Yes, already go and check my videos uploaded on my YouTube channel, English Angrezi. That time, I don't have any I don't had any friend who I talked with video call. So that's why I decided I started talking with tutors on Clappingo app. Okay, so it's my recommend to you. You should go and download Clappingo and talk. You can also Clappingo, Camly app, lots of apps you can talk with tutors. Guys, literally, honestly, I'm telling you, if you start talk with tutors, your communication, your hesitation, everything will be removed definitely, brother, because already I was doing, and next month I will also next month I'm going to start again talk with tutors on Clappingo. So that time I started talking with Clappingo, and that is main reason I'm my hesitation and confidence level that time was low, but now my confidence level is, you can see, my confidence level is too good. Yeah, I can able to speak everybody front of, and yeah, but yeah, I know, I'm always telling you I'm not able to fluent right now, but yeah, guys, if you starting any language, definitely you will have to face a lot of difficulties, right? So please don't afraid if you coming any difficulty situation, anything. Always keep learning, always keep putting efforts daily. Definitely within 1-2 years you will a lot of change whatever you want, definitely. So it's my recommend to you, you have to follow these 4 steps. Definitely after 2-3 months you will get the result good, better. Okay, because already done happened from my side, so that's why I'm telling you. Okay, so guys, this is my 4 steps already I did, and now still I'm doing, because I know that though I'm not fluent in English, so that's why still I'm keep practicing with myself and with my friends and with tutors. So you will have to follow these steps, and bye bye and take care.